Okay guys, what's up? We're gonna take a look at Turbo today very quickly, give you my thoughts on it. I don't know what this structure is, but if I had to guess it, it could actually be even the very top of the entire cycle. Like that. Like that could be it. But we don't care about that. So we're just gonna take a look at this instead. Okay? We're just gonna take a look at this particular cycle instead. Right here. Okay, this one is the one that we care about. We don't care about the rest. Okay, we're only gonna care about this particular wave in that green box. So this is the one that we play. This is the one that we trade. So there's mainly 5 waves probably. This makes a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5, which makes the 3. And then this is most likely a 5 up there, right? But not only is it a 5, it breaks down 5 very nicely, like very, very clearly, with a 1, a 2, then a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, which makes a 3, a 4, and then a 5, like that, okay? So my position is very clear. Let me just load up my position for you guys and log in. Give me 1 second. Oh wow, it's already logged in. Interesting. I don't know why it stays logged in. So this is my position. I am short 350k. I ended up de-risking a little bit. Okay, so here's my position very, very clearly. How come my position's not coming up on the screen, guys? That's so weird. The fuck, man? Here we go. Okay, so here's the target. Okay, so I think that I think this is just the first wave down. Like the first wave down or something like that, and then we're gonna probably drop down, you know, and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe the 2 will go up higher first. So maybe the 2 will go up a little bit higher before dropping. I don't know, but the key place to look for on a break is clearly below these levels, right? But because of the differences in the wicks, we don't really know where the break level is. But if it were to break, this would probably be a very valid target. I'd probably target somewhere around here. Like just assume it's gonna make a head and shoulders, right? Assume it's gonna make a very beautiful head and shoulders. So I think that also around this region would be nice. Like right here is a very, very strong support type of region where it was hesitating. So I'd probably say right around here is a good target. Like maybe at the 108, 110 ranges. 108, 110. Maybe even before that, like at 115, right? Before it gets to those levels, like 117 is a good target level to target. Yeah, 117, that's a very good target actually. Like right here. Yeah, this is a great target, a great first target because of all of these resistances, right? Because of this guy. So I'd probably end up taking 50% of my profit. Like if this breaks right here, I'll probably add another 100k. If that breaks, like you know, the 126 range, if it breaks, I'll add 100k. I'll try to target the 116. This is like another, like how much is it? It's like 7% drop. I'll take 50% of my profits here, and then I'll see if I can ride the rest down to a little bit lower. That's it. Okay, so this is gonna be a live trade. I mean, you guys gotta get in, okay? You have to get into my Discord group. I'm not kidding. The first thing I did when I woke up was this, okay? Good morning, Elite Tier. I can't talk in this video. I'm still in bed. I'm still in bed and my lady's sleeping. But it's very clear what I'm doing. I show 5 wave count. That's why I'm shorting. What my target is as well, and my exact position. So I basically put this video up the first thing in the morning when I got up, just so I can show everybody my position that I'm in, right? I show them my position. I give them a 5 Elliott wave count. I talk to them about the break potential and some of the targets even. So this is how I run my Elite Tier Discord group, guys. This is the place that you 100% want to be in, okay? I run it extremely well. This is a 60% off sale going into the new year, okay? This is gonna end in the new year. So what you're gonna basically get is access to my advanced volatility scanner, okay? You're gonna get access to my course and access to my Elite Tier private trading group for 6 months, where you're gonna get an opportunity to pretty much see every single trade that I take and also be able to learn from my 20-hour course as well. The normal price is this. Okay, the normal price is $1,150. It's on sale till the end of the year, 60% off. And then after that, guys, after January, when 2025 comes, you will never be able to get in my elite tier Discord group ever again, because I'm going to close the signups permanently in 2025. So the time to get in is now. You don't want to miss out on a lot of the trades that I take. So this is my current position right now that I announced to my Discord group. I'm in a $400,000 short position, or $348,000 short position. I'm already up $4,500, and it would have been very easy for you to catch this trade as well with the group, because all you had to do was just be in it, and you would have definitely 100% caught this. I also explained very thoroughly about why you should be in this trade as well, right? So in the last video that you literally just saw, like at the beginning, that was me explaining to the private elite group, okay, what I sent them, right? So I'm also posting like really good thoughts on Turbo. So this is great. This is a great trade. My lady's also in the trade with me, right next to me. We're probably gonna win this. High five. Yeah. That was me giving myself a high five, pretending it was her. Let's do this. So we're gonna win this trade probably. I'm probably gonna get out early. I just want to scalp. I kind of don't want to trade today. Today I'm up already $47,000. Why do I want to trade some more? I'm up $47,000 today, guys. Yes, I am up 40. No, sorry, not 47,000. I'm up 45,000 only today. Here's my P&L today, right there. I'm literally up $45,800 today on top of another 4,000 I haven't taken yet. So I'm doing very well right now, okay? All right, guys, called in my Discord group, man. I'm now up $8,000. Fuck that. I don't even know if I want to be in this trade anymore because the profit's so damn big. Also, it's reaching a possibility of a support point, like short term, and I don't want to trade today. I don't want to fucking trade today, guys. Decisions must be made right now. I'm telling you guys, man, you got to get in my elite group. The sale, it ends, man, at the end of the year. All right, guys, it's looking really good so far. I'm gonna start taking some of my profits. Honestly, I don't want to fuck around and find out. I think that this region is gonna be like a, you know, like kind of a support region, maybe. And I'm already up 9,500, and I'm already up a lot, you know. So it's like time to close my position right now. So let's just close 50K at a time with the market execute. Close short positions. Actually, I'm gonna do limits. I want to make sure I don't want to have any slippage, because whenever there's a coin with like that looks like this, you know, whenever there's a coin that looks like it's in the decimal ranges like that, like, you know, 1, 2 cent a coin, it's not ever good to close in a big amount. So I'm just gonna de-risk a little bit right now and shave off about 100K off the table. So let's see if they close it. $100,000. Boom. That one ended up closing very nicely. Let's close another $100,000 right here. Close my short. Get my limit order in there. I raised up the price a little bit. I can see them. Look at, oh, literally, I fucking jacked that up there after they saw me. Even though there's 1.13 billion, sometimes that can just happen if they see like a big order, just short term. So I cancel that order. I'm gonna go 50K in here because it might just go a little bit lower. See there, and go. I noticed that it went a little bit lower. Let's go on the minute time frame. Like, I don't like this, man. I think there's gonna be a movement up here. So I close a tiny bit more. Oh, the moment that I put it in, it spikes it up, of course. So now I'm chasing the trade. I'm not gonna market execute this. Fuck that. My orders, my size is too big. So I shaved off a tiny bit off the table, just like $100,000. So now let's see if I can shave off a tiny bit more. Because this bounce, man, like, I don't want to fuck around with this support. You know, there could be a major bounce to the upside, and then maybe a drop after. I don't want to do that. I'd rather just capitalize on my profits and be up $50,000, $60,000 today, right? But there's nothing wrong with staying in the trade. My super trend indicator says down still, you know, it's looking pretty decent, but I don't want to ride it. I'm gonna take a little bit off the table, and then I'm gonna play with the rest. I'll keep $100,000 in the trade, just to be a little bit greedy. That's it. So let's see how this is gonna go. Not closing at all. So I'm gonna try to close 30K more. Oh, of course I missed my close. That's so fucking funny. Fucking ridiculous. Look at that now. Look at it just fucking going. It's just going. The MACD, the MACD doesn't look good. It looks like it's about to. There's no bullishly diverging signs yet. Like, there's nothing. Maybe only here, the MACD, like maybe short term, right? There's no point of being scared to be in this trade. It's a good trade. But the only thing is, like, the MACD is gearing up for a small retracement up. I don't want to fuck around with that, right? And I think that it's overdue for maybe one little leg up, because it has been dropping significantly. So I don't want to fuck around and find out. Okay, there we go. One position closed. Two positions, it's about to get closed. Nah, I fucking just missed the nibble. Oh, see how frustrating that is? Ah, it just goes, ah, you see, like, oh, it does it again. That wasn't good. Fuck me, man. That was 0.2%. 0.2% is a lot, man. So I missed my opportunity to get a really good close. But I'm just going to wait a little bit now. Because, it broke that green box up there. So one of two things is going to happen. It's going to climb its way back up, right? Like, it literally took, how long? Like 10 hours to break it. So it's going to climb its way back up and to retest it, or it's just going to keep falling down, right? If it retests it and breaks back above it, then, it'll continue up. Then the correction, like the retracement, is going to happen. That's one scenario. Or it's going to retest it and continue down. But that was hilarious how I didn't capitalize on that. So far I took in how much profit here? I took in so far I took in a lot. I took in 600 yesterday apparently. Yeah, yesterday apparently took in 700. And I took in 4,000 just now. And I have 4,000 left on the table to take. So I'm up 8,000 technically, but of course I could be up nothing if this goes back up, right? That's why it's good to shave some off of the table once in a while, especially when you're at. I'm sitting next to my lady right now, and I told her too that there's maybe a bounce here. I don't want to fuck around and find out, and that's exactly what happened. We fucked around and we found out that it ended up bouncing a little bit. And let's be real, like my strategy is scalping. Because my strategy is scalping, I don't need to like go for 20% victories. I'm going for these short-term trades that yield a lot of profit with a lot of size, right? So now it's going to try to go back up there and retest it. All right, guys, I'm just going to get out of this position, to be honest. I don't feel like trading today. I am up a lot already. I'm just kidding. I'm going to stay in it. No, I should probably exit it. Nah, I can't decide. Sometimes I can't decide. Emilia, tell me what to do. Should I stay in the trade or get out?
I exited.
Did you exit?
Yeah.
So I should exit the trade too? Yes or no? She's like, do whatever you want to do.
I might enter again on the bounce. If the bounce doesn't happen and it goes down, then I made my good enough profit.
All right, I will get out of the trade. Let's just get out. Fuck it. It's good enough for me. I'm all right with the profits. All right. So, yeah, this was a good trade. This was actually a very good trade to have taken. So I took partial profit already, right, a little bit. And the main reason was because of a 5 Elliott wave count that was shown in everything, right? We saw basically 5 Elliott wave count. So it's like, yeah, let's just try to get into a really good position for this. So I'm now gonna start shedding my position because I don't want to be in it, and I don't want to trade today. I'm up a substantial amount already, so it's like, why do I need to be in this trade even more? So let's just start, shaving off some of my positions here. Let's even market execute 50K, close it short. Let's see if I spiked up the market. Oh, I did spike it up. I'm just spiking up a little bit though, not much. Oh, I spiked it up again. Let's just exit my positions, close all positions. And ooh, I spiked it up a little bit again. That was good. See, it's definitely making a counter correction, right? It already moved up like 1%. I took in pretty good, guys. So let's refresh the page. See what I'm at today, right? That's why you guys gotta join my elite tier Discord group, bro. So I took in, you can see at the bottom here, $7,700, okay? That's what I took in just now. Damn. So here, guys, are my stats for the last 30 days. You can see that this is from November the 12th to December the 12th, right? I'm up $400,000 in profit in the last 30 days day trading. I've traded a volume of $39.4 million. And I've had some major winning days, 123,000 on one day. These are big numbers, guys. Like, they don't look big, but when you look at it closer, like, this is how big they are. Look how big they are. They're like 9,400, 14,500, 24,000, 13,000, 123,000, 28,000, 17,000, 18,000, you know, it's 15,000, 27,000, 65,000, 24,000, 9,000, 5,000, 4,000, and today I'm at 53,000. So this is why you need to join my elite tier Discord group. I literally announce everything. So bam, guys, another $50,000 day, literally making life-changing money in 1 month. And if you have the skills, you know, you just gotta learn, gotta apply yourself, gotta take my course, gotta join my elite group. Let's go, guys. I'll see you there. Bam.